Alright, so I'm testing out my mouse, which is a Amazon Basics, and it's working really good. Um, I had to order this because the tracker pad sucks on this. Um, I also got the SwissTech 14-in-1 multi tool. I'm actually to open it because I really want to actually start using it. Okay, so okay, wait, what? I am very confused here. But SwissTech to me is expensive. Um, okay, so fingernail cleaner, roller, 1/4 wrench and hex driver, nail puller pry bar, flathead screwdriver, 3/8 wrench, bottle opener, because of course it'll be a bottle opener. Three, oh wait, 2 spoke wrenches. Why is it a keyring even a feature? Keyring notch, it's not a feature. It's a 13-in-1. 5 size wrench, you know exactly what it is. 1/4 wrench and hex driver. I think I already said that. I don't know. And well, this this would be really good for SHEF with the pie bar. So yeah, let's open it. Cause I actually want to. Oh, I can put this on my my what's it called? If it doesn't open, I'll be pissed off. Oh well. So yeah, I'm just testing out my mouse. So I was like, I might as well do a video for this. The person who orders my orders stuff for me. Let's use this. Just let's use this. This will work. Ha! Anyway. Okay. Okay, that looks nice. Some SwissTech. It's light, which is nice. It's light. It's pretty good. Okay, so SwissTech. You know, has the ruler, which is in centimeters. What am I not going to use on here? I thought I could use this. Because you have this, and it does not show up. So that's good. So you can do spoke things for a bike, I believe. It's a nice little thing, honestly. Pretty sure it costs a crap ton. Swiss craftsmanship, American innovation. Ah! Made in China. Oh yeah, Swiss craftsmanship when it's made in China. This I could use for like something, I guess. I don't know. But it's honestly just a nice little thing. Little pry bar, which is nice. So I have to get a big pry bar, which I want to get. Let me get my. Oh, it's over there. I might screw that in. But yeah, it works for when it looks like it doesn't feel stainless steel. It doesn't feel. It literally feels like it's like plastic, but it's not. 3 centimeters. Isn't oh god. What's 3 centimeters in inches? I can look this up right now. And it's still a flipping inch. That's nice though. Like I'm always looking for like stuff like this that I could use for whatever. Pry bar, which pry bar I'm probably hopefully never gonna have to use. Where? Oh, thank God! It has the cancer reproductive hormone. Yeah, but only if you're in California, and I'm not in California, so yeah, looks nice. The only reason I'm doing this on the computer is because I'm testing out the mouse, as I said, and this is where my computer is. So yeah, I didn't buy this with money, by the way. Yeah. The person who orders my stuff did, I believe. Spoke. Bike? I'll look up later. But yeah, nice. It's simple. It's light, which is great. Pretty cool. And by the way, if you're gonna be prying, you're doing like this or whatever. I gotta see. I don't know. Nail puller, which this could probably hurt somebody. Eek! Dude. Anyway. It's the Swiss Tech 13 in 1. Because I don't consider this right here a feature. At all. I don't. Seems good quality though. So anyway, this has been JoeyK's I'm just looking at this like I'm pretty sure this isn't budget in any capacity at all. Because it's Swiss Tech. And Swiss Tech is usually maybe it's been JoeyK's EDC, knife and pupping on a budget. Peace. We have to do this.